Hi guys, welcome to Keep It Wheel. You're riding with Spikes on this very windy but bright day. 9 degrees it is, by the way, because I'm a bit obsessed with temperature. I thought I'd just come for a quick ride out and show you around my Hayabusa K7. So I'm going to find somewhere nice to pull up, nice scenic place. It's one of my favourite places to go actually, if there's nobody there. Yeah, and just give you a quick walk around the bike, show you all the little bits and bobs I've done to it, and if you've got any questions, then drop them in the comments box below. Thought I'd try a different camera handle out today, which is this one. Not sure if it's going to be a bit vibey. Filming with a GoPro Hero 3. It's got 0 stabilisation, but it's worth a try. So yeah, I'll catch you when we get to my nice little scenic spot and show you around the Busa. Ah, there's loads of people here. Loads of people. Right, bud? Not bad. Thank you. It's just the weather's not on my side at the minute, so I don't get out on it much. Suzuki, Hayabusa. Yeah. Right guys, so I've arrived at my nice quiet scenic spot and there's just loads of people about. Loads of cars. But we'll still do this anyway. So there she is. My K7 Hayabusa. The first thing you'll notice is the double bubble black screen and headlight protector. Black adjustable levers. They're just cheap ones from eBay, but they look the part. Take you around to the cockpit. So I've fitted a temperature gauge. And that is not the true temperature. I've put the sensor probably in the wrong place. And then we've got the carbon fibre, real carbon fibre yoke cover. GoPro thing, obviously. That's my RAM mount. Mounts on that ball there. And you'll see I've got the 1-inch bar risers on as well. And then just tucked in there is a USB. So that's when I'm on tour. Fake carbon sticker for the petrol cap. It looks alright. I'll put the grills in all the big holes that you have. Some people don't like them, but I think they look pretty cool. Done it in there as well. And underneath, it's a bit dirty at the minute. Just got braided hoses all around as well. And on that other video, I don't know if you've seen it, but she's got the welded clutch mod. So the clutch is awesome on it. Smoked indicators. Super Sprox rear sprocket. That's pretty much about it. Obviously the exhausts. It's SB Engineering carbon stubbies. I think they look pretty good. And I shall let you listen to them now. Upset all the locals. So that's them on tick over. turn your volume up and listen to this. They sound pretty good, don't they? So there you go. That's my Hayabusa K7. What do you think? Right, let's hit the road. Just got to get dressed first. Let's go. I always feel like I forgot something, you know, when I'm getting back on the bike. So let me know what you think in the comments to my lovely Busa. She's my baby, I love her. And thanks for watching, and I shall catch you on the next vid, whenever that might be. Take it easy guys, thanks, and remember, keep it real.